Hello, I'm Percy. We will learn about Tesla coil. A Tesla coil is an electrical resonant transformer circuit designed by inventor Nikola Tesla in 1891. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency alternating current electricity. You know, Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current electricity supply system. He used these circuits to conduct innovative experiments in electrical lighting, phosphorescence, X-ray generation, high-frequency alternating current phenomena, electrotherapy, and the transmission of electrical energy without wires. Sometimes, Tesla can be used as an electrical unit, a unit of magnetic induction or magnetic flux density in the meter-kilogram-second system of physical units. 1 Tesla equals 1 Weber per square meter, corresponding to 10,000 Gauss, or 10 to the 4th exponent. I'd like to show you this diagram. This coil uses a specialized transformer called the resonant transformer, a radio frequency transformer, or an oscillation transformer. The primary coil or an inductor is connected to the power source, and the secondary coil or an inductor of a transformer is coupled loosely to ensure that it would resonate. The capacitor connected in parallel with the transformer circuit acts as a tuning circuit or an LC circuit to generate signals at a specific frequency. The primary coil steps up to generate high voltage ranging from 3 to 30 kilovolts, which in turn charges the capacitor. With the accumulation of massive amounts of charge in the capacitor eventually breaks down the air of the spark gap. The capacitor emits a huge amount of current through the Tesla coil, which generates a high voltage at the output. Applications of Tesla coil which were used in aluminum welding, spark plug ignition for the cars, high vacuum systems and other applications. The problem is we face several health hazards causing skin damages due to high voltage radio frequency, high costs in buying large DC smoothing capacitor, and construction of circuit consumes much time as it needs to be perfect to resonate. You'll need to be very careful for about high voltages or else may cause injury or death. So, you have seen how the Tesla coil works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.